Hi guys, so we're doing a quick unboxing video from one of our favorite brands, but I want to first ask you, how do you organize your cosmetics and what are you organizing in those cosmetics? Is it clean beauty? Clean beauty meaning Beauty Counter, Good Face Stuff, or any other brand, as long as it's chemical free and it's good for you. Because I love something that Melissa, one of our fellow Cubanitas, said in a video, one of our video episodes earlier this spring, so go check that out, that she said all beauty should be clean. It shouldn't be an extra, or you shouldn't pay more for it. It shouldn't be, all beauty should be clean. It shouldn't be something that's like a privilege to have. But anyways, back to this. So I wanted to just share Good Face Stuff, which is one of 5 brands that we actually use for our body and our face here at the Reorg Chats and Reorg You Inc. home. And this one's a little bit extra special than any other ones because it's our familia, literally bloodline, that owns this brand, my brother. And it's a beautiful line with his wife that he owns, and she has just flawless skin. So check her out. We'll include a little bit on the description and on the link of this video to check out her YouTube, and she has some great tips on health and wellness. And again, the brand is Good Face Stuff. So when you order, make a small purchase from Good Face Stuff, they comes in this beautiful purple tissue paper, really pretty, very simple. We love it. We love it because it's simple, it's easy, and again, it's clean beauty. And we of course get this beautiful note with this little thing, but everybody that purchases ours, of course, says thank you, sis, because you have to support la familia. Come on, you got to keep it within the family, people. And a little description with some how-to questions, not just for Good Face Stuff, but just in general. So we always love when things include a little extra literature. One of the things that we use a lot, which I don't know, I'll do a little close-up, is the Lustre. This one's the rosé, but we have it in the gold and a whole bunch of their other colors that they come. And we love it because, again, it's a multi-purpose item. We're all about things have more than one use. So we've used it as an eyeshadow and as a blush. I have no concealer on whatsoever. So it's just to give a little enhancement. So this one's the rosé. We actually have the gold toned one, which is like a blush. I can't remember the name. I think it's a gold blush. But again, we'll include the description in below and the link to the one that we have. But this one's the rosé. It's beautifully packaged, super compact. I don't know if you can see it there, waterproof. So there are other facets. And the only, apart from Beauty Counter's lip gloss that we use, is the Rosado Lip Enhancer, which, yes, we do have full lips. I do have full lips, but, you know, a little extra plump or a little extra touch is never a bad thing. This is their lip enhancer, and this is the Rosado. We just add this, and then we add the Beauty Counter just lip conditioner, which is really just a chapstick. Keep it simple. Again, like we always usually like to say, it's just 1, 2, 3. You know, as a mom, I don't have time for all the concealer and the this and the that. Concealer for me is a special occasion thing, literally. And it has to be tinted and it has to be SPF. Like, I don't have time for the SPF and the concealer and the powder and the blush. Those of you who do, God bless. And if there's something that I'm doing wrong, as I always say in this vlog, please share with me on how you do it in under 5 minutes. Because if it's more than 5 minutes, I'm not doing it. So yeah, these are like my go-to items. And in addition to, like I said, the Beauty Counter lip conditioner. But for the purposes of this video, absolutely love these Good Face Stuff products. And of course, they come with this great little tissue paper, which is great. We love color. No, they did not consult us, and we did not consult with them that their color, their brand color happens to go with our logo. But you know, great minds think alike, right? We are familia, right? The founders of this and I are familia, so we were all kind of in sync, right? When we were thinking about our color palettes for the brands, for our different brands. So again, check out Good Face Stuff at Good Face Stuff. That's their website. They are a beautiful brand. Again, a Black-owned brand, a woman-owned brand, a Latin co-owned brand. So made in the U.S., in California, absolutely clean. And I love it because it's a brand that comes from a couple and a bigger team that they have that makes all these beautiful products. So again, why would we love it? Just to recap, it's multi-purpose. It's clean, it's easy, and it's made in the US. So yeah, guys, so check them out. Good face stuff. Beautifully packaged, and everything can be recycled. All their packaging can be recycled. Oh, and it's waterproof. Like, you know, you ever get that like product that when your kid or you drop it on the floor, it shatters into a million pieces? Trust me, my kids have dropped this 1,000,001 pieces, and I myself, and everything's intact. Let me give you a quick little preview before we close this quick little unboxing video of how the actually it's the Edge. This is the one that we have on. I don't know if you can see it, and it might look a little bit gold, but it actually doesn't come out gold at all. It's just a little blush, it gives you a little contour. You can even put it here between your nose if you want to just contour, you know, accentuate a little bit certain areas. You can literally use it anywhere in your face that you just want to just give it a nice little glow. I use it as you can see, as a shimmer, almost like a bronzer, but it's great. A little side tip. I tend to put mine in the refrigerator, especially as warmer temperatures arise, just because it's fine, but I like to keep it cool, and just I like the texture that it has when it first comes, so I keep mine in the refrigerator in one of the, like, again, recycle, reuse, repurpose, guys, a little plastic container from leftover takeout, and I keep it in the refrigerator, but again, you don't have to, and I seal it just to protect it, but that's just a little side tip. That's just something that I do, and a lot of my interns. Actually, one of my interns told me to do that because she did it with Good Face Stuff products. I was like, oh, that's cool. So yeah, this is where you communicate with me, we communicate with you, and we share tips. Please tell us, how do you organize your beauty? And hopefully it's clean beauty. Thanks, you guys. And as we always say here at Reorg Chats and Reorg Viewing, stay safe, stay strong, and most importantly, stay organized. Bye, guys.